Okay guys, as you can tell, what I'm doing right now is trying to seal my rear window. Like every Ram from 18 up, they leak through the rear window. As you can tell in there, I already seal up all the glass around it and everything, but I still getting water out. I already try it out with a hose right on top over here with the fin tail and the shark tail is, and the tail light is, and nothing. I don't get no water in. The only thing that gets water in is when I go to the corners. So my guess is gonna be under that trim, which I already went in there on the other side over here. And as you can tell, you got a clip in there. It's really simple to get it pry. I'm gonna show you in a minute how you can do that. Now if you, I don't know if in the video you can tell in there, it's a big huge gap in there. You can tell in there. So that in there, that's where the water is going in, at least on mine. I went through car wash, I went to the water hose and everything, and that's where the water's coming, right there. So let me show you how deep that thing is. Look at it, the pick goes straight in. So yeah, that's definitely where your water's going in, at least on my truck. I wish it would be like that for everyone else, because that would be a permanent fix for it. Like I said, I already did the whole glass deal under the light. I replaced the gasket over here for the light, as you guys can see in there, and it's still getting water. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, but bear with me. So pretty much the clip is around here. So what you want to do is you want to come to this side, kind of lift up over here, and let me see if I can get it. So you see that those two white tabs, and there you get your pick, and you go to the tap and pretty much press it in, kind of deal. Sorry if I'm getting out of the screen. That's undo already, and I'm gonna do this one now. It's gonna be in a minute. It's a lot easier when you have both hands, because definitely it's a lot easier. So that side I think it's undo already. Let me see. Yeah, that side is done already. So what I do is I keep this one in here, so to prevent it to push when you come to the other side over here, to prevent it to not push down this side and clip it back again. You know, you gotta, there we go, gotta get kind of in there. And what you do is you do the same on this side too. So pretty much you got the same type of clips in there. You want to get a little bit closer and get in there, look for the clip and try to unclip it. It's kind of hard because you got the rubber piece in here. All right guys, give me a minute, let me get this side undo. I need both of my hands, and I'll show you what the clips looks like and how you can get the corner too. All right, just give me a minute. Well guys, so you can see I was able to get it off. Unfortunately, you need both hands for that. The clip is down there, as you can tell, right there. It's a white clip. Now the tricky part is, it's not that tricky, but you know, it takes a little bit of force. It's gonna be this over here. As you can see, it's separating in there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's separating in there. So what you do is you move your plastic here and you pry that up just like it, and that's not supposed to happen. It's just I pulled this eye already apart, but that clip is clips right there. That's where the clips on it, and this is just a slide on it. This side is pretty much the same. So as you can tell, it's pretty much the same. Like this one is a little bit deeper actually in both corners. Water gets through there. I already cleaned all that and everything. For that and the window, I used the RTV black adhesive sealant, silicone RTV. It works great, at least for the piece that I did over here already. All that I did, like I said, you can see I did everything all the way down the glass. So I'm gonna be filling all that hole in there to be able to get a really nice seal. It's pretty much just like the same, you know. Stick it in there and just go at it. Don't be shy, because you need to fill that whole thing out. So don't be shy on it. Just like that. And now I come to the other side and pretty much I do the same thing. So, and once again, I'm doing this video, and I'm sorry about newbie. It's my first video that I post on YouTube. It's just I've been looking around and around. I can't find no one having this same issue that I'm having and fixing it the way everyone else fix it. So to me, I just put the liner down and then, you know, I start looking for, and I finally found it that it's just on the corners. So you can get this piece in here and just kind of like press it down. I will recommend just keep it like that on the glass and just press down, kind of to force everything inside the holes, and just like that. And just careful with the glass. I forgot to put the tape on it and all that stuff. You know, it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna do the job. Like I said, it's a sunny day over here in Central Florida where I am. I don't have no rain coming up for the next couple days, which is great for do this, because you need at least 24 hours to this RTV to dry out. I recommend you use some type of thinner or anything like that. If you get any mess around your glass or anything like that, the thinner or paint thinner, it will work to take it off with no issues at all, as long as it doesn't dry. And I'm sorry about the camera, you know, it's just but over here it's just the same process as the other side. Just press it and make sure that it goes all the way as far as in you can get it. The idea is all the material to stay there, so you don't take that much of material at all. But you see, that's pretty much what you want it to look like. That definitely will seal everything in there. And you know, I will give you an update down the road, probably by tomorrow or next day, or whenever I get a chance. I will give you an update on how everything works, and if that actually was the issue. Hopefully that will be it. Hopefully it's nothing with the chassis or the car, or not the chassis, but the frame of the car is flexed too much or anything like that. I can tell over here, if you can see in there, you got two joints on metals. I don't think it's there. That side is elevated, and like I said, I put my water hose about here, so it's straight down here. So that's why I narrow it down, that it gotta be that corner, it gotta be the corners. Obviously it's way too much gap on those corners, and you know, hopefully that works. I will give you a posted, guys. Have a beautiful day, and hope this video is, is useful for you guys. Thank you.